So here we have a thistle that's about the size of me, and I'm gonna let those, you see the milk thistle? About the size of me. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at that flower. Wow. Tastes so good. But what I'm really here to show you is a dead tree. You see? It's all dead. All the way you can see it. It's beautiful, but it's dead. And then I'd like to show you what's growing upside this tree. This dead tree, we've left it alone. And a lot of dead branches around, but look what's growing up. There's a vine growing there. And look at the flowers. Do you hear that? Do you hear what's coming up from there? I hear bees. See the bees? There's a whole bunch of bees taking care of these flowers. Look how Mother Nature just takes care of everything. The tree's dead, but now a vine is growing up. And on that vine you have flowers. I don't even know what kind of flowers it is. Somebody who knows, please let me know. But see, even though you're old and you're dead, something can grow from you. It's beautiful.